GE Trash Compactor Repair Service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company. Employing only factory-trained GE appliance repair technicians, we service and repair GE trash compactors, GE garbage disposals, GE dishwashers, GE refrigerators, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas, such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.